Another machine by Nifty Thrifty Girl today is a vintage Necchi BU. This machine is black. It's a basic straight zigzag machine with adjustable needle position, adjustable stitch length, adjustable stitch width, and true reverse feed. Cosmetically, it's in fair to good condition. There is some paint wear along the front edge, although it's hard to see in the video. And it's just starting to crackle. But overall, it doesn't look super bad. It is a hard working machine. It has a 1.1 amp motor. It uses a high shank foot and class 15 bobbins. It comes with a special buttonhole bobbin case, bobbins, buttonhole foot. This is a shirring foot, straight stitch foot, all different kinds of things. An original Necchi oil bottle and some needles. This machine is tabletop ready, or it can be put in a cabinet or carrying case. It should fit in any Singer cabinet or case. It shares the same dimensions. All metal machine, very smooth running machine, as you'll soon see. Comes with the original manual. I'll loosen up the tension just a little. Nice and smooth. Got the zigzag. Nice smooth zigzag stitch. Of course, you could do creative embroidery patterns if you'd like. Pull the length in just a little, and then you just vary your stitch width as you sew. Oh, the thread's caught. That helps. Vary your stitch width as you sew, from narrow to wide. Decorative patterns, hard to see. Makes a nice stitch. 6 layers of denim using a size 16 needle. Complaints or hesitation on 6 layers of denim. And this is a woven upholstery with a rubber backing. 5 layers of that. No hesitation on that. You will also get these fabric samples. And let's do, this is 3 layers of garment leather. And if you're going to consistently work with leather, you might want to invest in an even feed foot. Just helps feed the leather through a little, because I am having to help it along. Get it going there. And an even feed foot would help the leather under the presser foot. Come on. There we go. Got it caught. And that was 3 layers. Not bad. Still a perfect stitch. But an even feed foot would actually feed the material through like this, so it would help a lot more on the feed dogs. Alright, that is your vintage Necchi BU 1.1 amp sewing machine.